Today, we've got this electric wheelchair, a Blimo brand. It's only 3 months old and one of its motors has started to screech like it's in a horror movie. Blimo's got no dealers or service crew in my country. I shot some videos and sent them off to the seller via email. At last, I got that package, and it took a bit more than 2 weeks since I first reached out to them. I got the footrest and the motor for the right side, and guess what? They threw in a tire as a bonus. It was a nice surprise. There are no installation instructions included, but it seems pretty straightforward. Unfortunately, all the screws are set in such tight spaces that I can't use power tools. It'll take a lot of time. Suddenly, it hit me that I need to unplug the motor's power cord and remove the battery before I continue disassembling it. I only recorded those easy screws because I needed both hands. But some of the screws were really stubborn and slow. It's crucial to get the right tire pressure, and it's easier to do it at this stage. I didn't record much during the assembly to speed things up. I finally managed to nail that motor onto the wheelchair frame, and the squeaking stopped. Mission accomplished. We tackled that challenge head-on.